What's up everybody, Catfish Fishing here. Welcome to today's episode. Today I am in Kingston, Tennessee, and I am fishing with Mark Nawrocki and his son Alex, who goes by Ace, and they invited me to go fishing with them, which is nice. So they are a fishing catfish charter company called Deuces Wild Fishing Charters, and it's a father-son company. And that is just really neat. That's what impressed me about them. So right now we just have 6 rods out. We are dragging baits, suspending baits. We have a planer board out there. So we're just gonna kind of see what we can get. It's an early morning, not too windy, pretty calm, cloudy. So let's see if we can get a fish. So stay tuned. So Ace, tell us what kind of rig this is.
This is a slip bobber rig, and we have this set. Let's see if we can find this bobber stop here. So bobber stop is, I cannot swing any hooks around. We have a bobber stop that's set, I don't know, roughly 10, 15 feet. And what that bobber stop does is when this bobber slides all the way up to the bobber stop stops it. So now you have your weight down there, down all the way in the water column, and your bait's in the water column too. So the suspended fish will come up and eat the suspended bait, and we're catching that suspended fish in the transition period when they go up to spawn. So yeah.
Awesome. So explain why you use snell hooks.
Okay. So I'll show you how to tie it first, and then it'll be easier to explain after it's tied. So of course, Ace and I tie it simple snell knot. There's some fish right there.
Coming up into that.
Look at that one coming right there.
It's good fish.
So there's a bunch of different ways to tie snell knots. We tie a simple one. So the hooks that we use are backstabber hooks from Tennessee River Monsters. You always go in from the top side of the eye for us, not the bottom. Hook up top side of the eye. I don't know if you can see this. It's hard. I don't have any high vis. So once I do that, I run it down the shank and I bend it over to give myself a loop. Once I have that loop, I circle the shank 6 to 8 times, and without crossing over. You cannot, it has to be laid even next to each other, right? Up the shank. And again, there's multiple ways to do a snell knot, but this is the way that we like it. And we're fishermen, we're not that smart, so the easier the better. So once I have it like that around the shank, I pinch it again so I have my loop, run the tag end back through my loop. All right, pinch it off, pull the main line. There's a snell knot. Cut off your tag. But this is what happens when that bait is in the water. The fish hits it and it gets pressure against the line, and it becomes a trigger.
Gotcha.
And it actually triggers into the fish. So if the fish come along obviously like this, you do this, and it just pulls it right up into the fish. Best way, like I said, best way to show it is like that, triggers the fish. So you increase your hookups because of your hair trigger on your hook. So that's why we snell knot. It's increased hookups.
That's awesome. That's a new thing I've learned. I'll have to start doing that. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, he's on.
Yep, he's on.
A lot of head shaking. You don't like a lot of head shaking.
Yeah, when they shake like that. Oh wow, he came up quick.
Yeah, that's a smallie.
Hey.
Action is action.
Breaking the ice, buddy.
That's right.
Comes off the boat. That's what we call it. Yeah, we had to catch almost 10, 12 of those yesterday before we caught
That's all right.
those, right? But that's what.
They're all fun to catch.
Open wide for your dentist appointment.
First fish of the day. It's not a bad one.
Golly.
Did he come up pretty fast?
There's slip bobber. Let's see if we can see his tail.
Yeah, he's on.
they're lighter than all these other rods.
It's a small one.
Yeah, it's small, but
We'll take them.
oh yeah.
It's a fish.
Action's action.
I need a leader touch so I can mark the fish. Leader touch. Come on, leader touch.
Leader touch.
All right, now it's legal.
It's legal.
Now we can mark it. It's a caught fish.
Nice.
There it went. Just gotta do.
All right, guys. Second fish of the day. Definitely not a bad. Yeah, starting the morning off. Not a bad fish.
Not at all. Not at all. Yeah.
That's a good one. Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Fighting.
See? Don't pay attention. Start eating.
Yeah.
Always works. All right.
Yeah, 8 pounds. He has a big head for an 8-pounder though, a little bit.
Look how fat he is too. Does he have any marks on the side?
Yeah, right there.
He does look bigger than 8 pounds though. He looks like it.
Start to the morning though.
So turn him around. Look like he's fighting a whole bit.
Yeah. Start to the morning there. Oh, fun, buddy.
Guys, we got triple. Mark has one here. And then Ace has one here. All solid fish.
Look at that.
Man, he hit the skipjack head too. Awesome, man. Yeah, he's way back there. We should get a good picture with
Triples.
all of that.
Yours back, Dad?
No, I put it right in the bottom of the boat. Yep. This is a smaller fish. That's a decent one right there. What is he, 15?
15.
Is he 15? Yeah, that's a good fish. Looks like he has a dart in him at the. Look at that! Look at that! What is that? Is that a barb?
Yeah, it's a barb. Look at it.
Dude, did you guys see that? A barb just came out of its stomach.
This can't be it.
He was speared by another catfish.
Yep, that's another thing of catfish.
Here, show us where it is on that fish.
Right there.
Oh man, look at that.
That's nasty.
We just saved his life.
Yep.
That's what they do though, guys. During the spawn, they just fight. The males do.
We're gonna have to work on the wheel.
50-pound leader, that helps.
Yeah.
Definitely.
That was fun.
Here he goes.
I've never seen them without the skin on them, so I didn't know they had
Little points in them.
Backwards.
Yeah.
So if it goes in, it doesn't come out.
But that thing was in deep, man. That's probably a solid quarter of an inch, half an inch.
Where's the Florida Law stick? That's a half-inch.
Dang, man.
That's crazy.
So we're using a big dog float here, and it's from Tennessee River Monsters. It's made out of balsa wood, right? And I can actually say balsa wood now.
Yeah, we had a hard time.
Yeah, we did.
For a while.
So, and then we went over to, I don't remember the website, but
Whisker Seeker Tackle.
yeah, and we found some of these. And what these do is,
That rattles though,
It
right?
just twists and rattles. It doesn't twist the bait
I
side.
cuss.
No, it just twists on the lead.
All right, then. And then this bead is just protecting, well, if I
Alright.
can grab the bead.
Alright.
Yeah, it's just protecting our hook and everything right there.
Extra noisemaker.
Yeah. And then we have the drift stick right here.
A little bit is a wide angle.
I never knew that. And these ones rattle. The clear bottoms on them, they rattle, as we can hear that. So, and all these do is they just bounce along the bottom.
Awesome.
These and that rattler attracts fish.
We're true believers in extra noise helps.
Good.
So, come
There you go. That's a fish. That's a fish.
Do you have it?
on. Oh yeah.
Fish on, brother.
Oh, from another mother.
Okay, where's he at? Where's this line, please?
Want me to reel this one
No,
in?
just,
Or?
pull it up. I think we're good. Yeah, he's coming over this way. I'm good.
I haven't done well on the heads this year at all.
The last 2 days, we've caught a lot on heads. Just the last 2 days.
And then on the spoon.
He's probably 10 pounds, maybe 12. He has a little bit of a gut on him.
Hey, easy on my engine, buddy. That's what the snail nut does with the circle hooks.
Shirkle.
Right in the corner of the mouth, too. Looks like his eye, yeah.
Anybody else notice that He said circle and not circle.
Sometimes it's nice to have your son on the boat. Nice little fish.
All right, guys, we got some gizzard shad.
We're gonna try some live ones off the slip bobbers today. Now.
That'd be good for bass too, man. Bass would eat that up too.
Yeah, I'd like a little bit bigger ones, but these are still good.
Yeah, those would be good.
It was all the way on the other side of the boat, and I don't know. There he is on the surface. All the way up there.
Small one.
Come on, Ace.
What's
He's
up?
a big fisherman, man. Big
Yeah,
fish
man.
guy.
You gotta,
All these big fish.
you gotta ace this class, man.
Come on.
I mean, I can ace bird nesting and reel, so. He's putting a little bit of bend in that rod, but he's not that big.
Right on the demon dragon.
Oh my gosh. Demon Dragon and backstabber hooks by Tennessee River Monsters. Best thing ever. Now he swallowed the hook.
Did he really?
Yeah,
Yep.
we left him out there. We let him work on it. Far enough.
Guys, this is what we do when they swallow the hook. Just gotta cut the line.
Just far enough in there.
Mm-hmm.
He just didn't. It wasn't worth taking. He's
Yeah,
bleeding.
Yeah, he'll be okay though. They're very resilient fish.
Yep, he's ready. You gonna win? Yep,
Yep,
he's
he'll
out
be
of
good. Nice. Show us what you're doing here.
So I'm taking these gizzard shad that we caught earlier today, and I'm gonna take circle hook, just gonna rig them right through the nose, up through the bottom lip, up to their bony head, and that way it's harder for the fish to take the gizzard shad off the hook. Any type of fish, I mean, it doesn't matter. It can be skipjack, it can be whatever you fish with, right? Even bluegill too. So
Live gizzard shad, fellas, is what we're using.
take this now. We're using big dog floats and demon dragons.
All right, guys, so what we're doing here is we're fishing another flat. We're gonna kind of run along this bank here, right?
Yep.
Just kind of move our way.
We're in 13 foot of water this far away from the bank.
13 feet of water. This would be good for some flatheads, especially using live bait.
You took that one pretty good. Oh, too much head shaking.
Yep, it's a baby. Let me
Baby,
go.
but
I'll probably go
we'll
over
take it.
this way. Yeah, we'll just keep
We'll
moving.
take it.
No, we haven't had action in a while.
See what he does when he finds the boat.
I can bill dance him in.
Oh yeah, no problem.
You've heard me say that probably
Oh,
before. I'm like,
yeah.
yeah, we'll just bill dance him in. Get him a little more here. There we go.
Go.
Nice fish.
Muddy.
Yeah, he's been in the mud. Let's go and release him.
He's got it?
He's on there, I think.
Yeah, he's on there.
Come on. He's just really
Really small.
Right on the demon dragon. Starting to pick up a little bit now.
my spot.
Fish on, fellas. This one's definitely the biggest one of the day.
Oh, yeah.
He's shaking a little bit, but he's coming up. I'm gonna say this one's probably,
15 maybe.
yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Am I gonna do that?
No, you're right, Ace. Take it underneath it. There we go. Yeah, just hold it, Ace. While no, hold it. Let me fight. Put this
Yeah,
one.
he's coming near the boat. I'm gonna guess this one's 12 pounds.
Biggest one of the day.
Stand down.
That's a good sign.
Be a nice baby flathead. Would be nice.
Oh, yeah. Even a flathead. There he goes. He's wanting to go that way.
He's a blue. He's running on.
Let's hope it's even a good blue.
It's a good. It's a fish on. It's always a good fish.
Oh yeah, man.
Oh, yeah.
He may be a little bigger, I don't know.
He's in the rod, isn't he?
A little bit bigger fish.
So there's a slip bobber, so he's, I don't know,
Don't see bubbles yet though.
No, but he's-
Come on.
he's probably about 7 feet or so down.
That bobber stopper right there. I see him.
Yep.
It's a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one right there.
Yeah.
It's a nice one. Let's go and release that bad boy.
All right.
We haven't had to deal with that yet today. That's the first boat traffic problem we've had
Yeah.
today.
All right. You ready there? Bring your grandma next time. Want the bigger half of the family.
There he goes. Back to the depths.
He's got it.
He's got it.
That's decent. Decent. Hope he's decent.
No.
Did he drop it?
Oh no, that's that big head on there.
I think he may be on there actually.
There's a big head on there. It's bending more than, hey, she can't catch that. Oh, going in.
You're fine.
Yeah, we're tangled.
Oh, we are?
It's all right.
Probably why he felt a little bigger, I guess.
Oh no, he's getting bigger.
He's growing.
He's wrapped, I can tell you that. We're just gonna set this in the rod holder. We'll use this rod, pull him around.
There you go.
Oh my God, is he fat? Holy
Yeah.
mother of goodness.
He's a mad fish right now. He's a mad fish.
That's a big old fish.
We just gotta start cutting stuff or what?
I
Yeah.
guess. He's fat.
It's a good
He's
fish.
heavy too. He's got some girth on him.
Kilograms.
15.
15.
All right. Now let's get a good release on him. Yep, this dude's a bedding. Guarantee he's ready to go back too. Ready to go back. Oh, he's grunting. Hey, dude. I'll let you go when you're
There
ready.
he goes.
And he's gone.
All right, guys, we're gonna call it quits for today. We have a big mess, a lot of tangling lines and everything, so we're just gonna go ahead and just call it a day, guys. 19 fish.
Congratulations, Joe. This is the biggest mess I've ever seen on my boat.
Awesome, man. I'm glad I can bring something here to you guys.
I've never seen a mess this big.
Anyway, guys, we caught 19 fish. Definitely a fun time fishing with Mark and Alex Nawrocki.
Yes, sir.
If you're interested in a chartered catfish trip, if you mention my name, Catfish Fishing, they'll give you 10% off the trip. Very great company. Definitely value family.
We appreciate you coming out, Joe.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Thank you, man.
Good job.
Thank you
No
for
problem.
the shirts too.
Yeah, you're welcome. Give a thumbs up for this video, guys, and we'll see you in the next episode.